Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to email or contact the ChatGPT support team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in help.openai.com and press enter. This will now take you into the ChatGPT support page. From here, you can click on the support button at the bottom right corner, which will open up the support pop-up. Within this page, you can scroll down and click on Ask a Question, and you may now choose your category, after which you will be allowed to ask your question. Just type in your message within the message box where you can enter your query, and you may also upload a screenshot as an attachment if you wish to do so. After typing in your message, go ahead and send it to the OpenAI support, and you will get your response from the AI assistant, or you can also further contact the support team if you wish. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the support team for ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.